This is my Craftsman YS45 series. Had it for about 10 years. Doing pretty good. Has 260 hours. Love it. Wouldn't trade it. No problem, no issues. Never failed me once. Starts when I need it to start and cuts when it needs to be cut. I hardly don't use the light though, because I like to cut it during the day, not at night. Has a trailer. I use it, haul sticks, twigs, rocks, toys, whatever it's all that's left on the grass on my yard. Changed the blade once because it was time it was due just to get it sharpened, and that's pretty good. I try to keep it clean. I keep it in my shed. I don't like to leave this outside because I want it to last long and let it do its job. I mean, come on. And that's about it. I will replace the bumper though to a better one, and I'll put another video out.